Hey guys, this is my 91 MR2, and it's a turbo from USDM. It's not really hacked up like the other ones, and not as fast as the other ones, but it's my fun hobby car and gets me around. And I was wanting to get keyless for it. I had those fancy Viper 5901s and the fancier dang alarms, but you get kind of tired after 2 years. The remote's batteries die, or you swim with the damn remote, and then it's $100 for a damn remote. So wasn't really anxious to go that way, and don't really care about the security of it because I'd rather just low jack it than spend $800 on an install. But I seen they had these $20 Amazon keyless entries, and I was like, for $20, how hard can this be to put in? It's got, what is that, maybe 10 wires on the thing. I know I'm not going to use parking lights or door pins or ignition, so I was like, this has got, it should be at least 5 or 4 wires. Well, the problem I had was this little guy gives you a rough it about way to do it, but the first thing I needed was, which figure do I need? And I would pretty much knew it couldn't be one of these pneumatic ones. It couldn't be a stupid, it's a pretty early car for power locks anyway, so I was guessing it had to be one of these two, positive or negative, and looked on doing more research, I found it was the negative figure C. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 wires, and 2 of the wires just go to ground. So that's pretty freaking easy, right? Well, that's so I thought. MR2 OC is a great reference, but I don't know if this thing used to have a security system, but this is not right. This is what everybody pointed to, saying I'd have to go to the passenger side, and running 2 wires at least from the passenger side. I was like, well, I tried to tap those, nada. Didn't get any kind of signal off of it. What I got was 12 volts, but I didn't get any change when I was running the door locks. So, kind of lost. I was like, why can't I find this? Well, upon more investigation on the 5901 install, found this little gem, and this is what mine was. I needed to go to the green black and the red black of the harness down at the bottom, down by the driver's side, and that's it. It's plugged down at the bottom here, 2 wires, and the yellows go to ground, power and negative, you're done. Should be less than a 5-minute job. Take the passenger kick panel off, or the driver's side, get that wrong. Kick panel off, slap this in, and you're good to go. But the wiring was the biggest pain in the butt. That's why I'm making this video, because nobody had any wiring diagrams on it. So, like I said, this is going to be the key to most of these. And mine is it's got a lot of options on it from the dealer, or from the factory, I should say. And I don't know if they may have put it on there, but as a factory harness goes, mine was a little different than what everybody was pointing to. So I'll give you the VIN and everything else of it. October 90s when it was coming out of Japan. But yeah, so got it all hooked up. This is the key fob that came with it. Pretty nice. I mean, compared to the kids' toys you see on the newer ones. And it just works perfectly. You couldn't complain with that. And as long as you knew your wiring is the only headache with it. And like I said, I didn't have the security light, so I didn't think I had any kind of security on it. It had the premium sound because it had the box took out, and it had AC, premium sound with the windshield antenna. But yeah, I don't know why this goes saying you have to go to the passenger side when it's all right here in this driver's kick panel. I mean, that's why I'm making this video, so you guys can do this in 10 minutes. Get your car with keyless entry for $20 and 10 minutes of work. Well, that's all I got, guys. You guys have a great day, and hope this helps somebody.